Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you wondering if your MacBook battery is still healthy or if it's starting to get weak? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of super simple ways to check if your MacBook battery is boosted or not. Let's dive right into it. Method 1. Using System Settings. Click on the Apple menu at the top left corner. Select System Settings in the drop down menu. On the left hand side, tap Battery. Then click on Battery Health. Now here you can see that three options. First, battery condition. If it says normal, your battery is totally fine or working properly. Second, you will also notice options like optimize battery charging and manage battery longevity. Make sure both are turned on. If you see normal here, your battery is in a great shape. No need to worry. Method 2. Using system information. Click on the spotlight search icon, tap system information and tap on it. From the left menu, select Power. Here two important things will stand out. Maximum capacity. This shows how much charger your battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. If it is 90 and above, then it is fine. If it is below 80%, then time to consider a replacement. Second, condition. It will either say normal or something like service recommendation if your battery is weak. And that's it. Super easy ways to check if your battery is still healthy or if it's time for a replacement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.